Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and if you're looking to incorporate cranberry capsules in your diet, you definitely want to try these from Horbaach. I felt such a difference in my urinary tract system since taking these. I like that not only do they contain cranberry concentrate, but also they have vitamin C. So you're getting two great products in one capsule. I like that the capsules are gel capsules, which make it so much easier to swallow. They're a good size, and since they're in the gel capsule, it's a quick release and they get to working immediately. I also like that they're so potent. They have 30,000 milligrams, so that's more cranberry juice than I could ever drink. And if you don't like cranberry juice, then this is the next great option to be able to incorporate cranberry in your diet. So definitely try these from Horbaach. That's my point of view.